this is your Facebook page. And the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design, and I want to show you a website that you might like. This is the website. Okay, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. I would add your photos in this gallery link on this link, and of course your contact details on this link together with the map on the side. Now, if you have any other information about the services that you're offering, we can also add it here on this link there. And about link is about your company profile. Now, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply, let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon. Thank you.